Yeah?
I cannot go anywhere. I want to travel. I want to work again.
Try.
No.
Oh, I think that you don't have.
I said no.
Listen. You don't have any confidence. You don't have any confidence. Self-confidence. Actually, lack of so much self-confidence. Please increase your self-confidence. Increase with me. Hello. Where are you from? Where? Philippines. Okay, just I'm from Bangladesh. Do you know our country, Bangladesh? Really?
Okay.
Can you speak English fluent?
Yes.
Can you speak English fluent? A little bit.
Yes. Little.
Okay, little. At first,
Yes.
I have followed you. Already followed you. Follow me. Instant. Follow me.
Okay. Following you back.
Are you a student? Do you study? Are you a student? Student?
No. I'm not
Okay.
a student.
Housewife? You are housewife. Rearing children at present? Actually,
Just at home with my
Okay.
parents.
actually, do you live in Philippines, Mindanao? Do you live in Mindanao?
Yes, I'm here in Mindanao.
Mindanao. Actually, I think that, or we know that most of the Muslims live there in Mindanao. Are you sure? Most of the Muslims live there in Mindanao. Not only Muslims, but also Christians. Christian religion person live there.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you. Actually, you live in peacefully there, all together. You live in peacefully all together with there. Okay. Just I am telling you something. Can you understand me? Do you understand me? All things.
Don't talk fast.
Okay.
Just don't talk fast, okay?
I think that you are afraid.
And I get a follow
No,
up.
you are afraid of me. About me. Have you afraid?
No, I'm not. No, I'm not afraid of you.
Okay.
No.
Okay. Just what is your future plan of life? What do you want to do in future? Your future plan of life.
I don't know.
Very simple answer.
My future. What is my future in life?
Future
My
in life.
plan. I have a lot of plan in my. But now
Yeah.
I cannot go anywhere. I want to travel. I want to work again in other country, but I cannot go because my father is stroke.
Yes. Oh.
The stroke.
Okay.
Yes.
Are you elder or younger? Are you elder sister or younger? Elder.
I'm in the middle. We are just three siblings.
Three siblings.
I'm in the middle.
Okay, just we are three siblings.
And three siblings. My brothers and sister they are married.
Okay, we are three siblings. I am the youngest. I am the youngest of all. Little. Very little. And also unmarried.
How many you have?
No, I am single. I'm single.
You're married. How many children do you have?
No. I don't have any children. I'm single.
You're single. How old are you?
Are you married? Are you married?
How old are you? No.
I am 30 years old. And you?
Married.
And you?
34.
34. You are senior. You are more senior than me. But your appearance look like younger than me. Your appearance look like younger, really, than me. Okay. Okay, there isn't the problem. Have you completed higher education? Have you completed higher education? Or college, school, college, or?
I graduated 2 years in college.
2 years in college. Okay, thank you. What is your name? Already I have forgotten. Your name, please. Name. Dreams. Okay. What is your favorite color? What is your favorite color? Which color do you like most? Color. Which color do you like most?
I don't understand you.
Color. Any color.
Color.
Yeah, any color. Black. Also, I like black and white. Two color I like most. Basically, black. And I support. It is exceptional color.
Yes, black.
It is exceptional color of all colors. Really?
Yes.
What kinds of food do you like most to eat? What kinds of food do you like most to eat? What kinds of food?
Of course, I'm from Philippines. I love to eat rice.
Rice and fish. Your staple food. Okay. Thank you. Just in our country, Bangladesh, we eat all together rice and fish. Our national food. Rice and fish.
Okay. Rice and fish.
Fish. Yeah. How do you spend your free time?
Like India.
Yeah.
They prepare to eat bread, chapati, like that.
Yeah, sometimes I like to eat bread. Sometimes, yeah, really.
Because before I used to work with Bangladesh also. Bangladesh, Indian, Pakistan, they love to eat bread.
Yeah.
But cooking rice also is
But
good.
sometimes, or
They like
I like most to eat biryani. I like most to eat biryani. Do you know?
Yes, biryani is a very good thing.
Yeah, of course.
Biryani chicken.
Chicken,
I love biryani chicken.
Chicken, right?
With a lot of ingredients.
Yeah.
Yes.
How do you spend your free time? Most of the free time, how do you pass your every single day? Spend means free time. How do you pass free time?
my free time. Either I sleep or I'm with my phone.
Yeah? By gossiping, by chatting on Messenger, etc.
Yeah. Yeah.
I spent most of the free time. I spent most of the free time by reading newspaper, basically English, reading newspaper, and different kinds of newspaper I like to read. Basically, I am a private teacher, English teacher. I teach my students, and
Oh,
I have,
that's why you speak very well.
yeah, I have 20 years experience for teaching my students. Basically, 20 years experience. When I was a student,
Wow.
yeah, when I was a student of class 10, 10 means ACC level student. When I was a student of ACC level, from then I have been teaching my students since 20 years ago, or from then I have been teaching my students.
Wow.
Really?
I'm sure you're a very good teacher.
How am I fast? How am I fast to speak English? Please tell me.
Yes.
Very good, medium, or lowest? Very good, medium, or lowest?
Very good.
Very good.
Very, very good.
Okay.
Yes.
Actually,
But every country have a different accent, you know.
yeah, of course, I know British accent and American accent. Do you know what is the difference between American accent and British accent? Do you know in detail? Do you know?
No.
Okay, just
No.
American accent and British accent, basically many difference. Their pronunciation is exceptional. Really. Okay, tell me A to Z alphabet. Tell me A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, double U, X, Y, Z, not Z, Z. Tell me once again with me. Tell me. Start once again.
No.
Try to speak.
I'm like.
I'll be correct. No. Try to speak. I will be correct. There is no problem. Try to speak.
We're like in. We're
No,
enough.
there is no shame. There is no shy. Please tell me. Just we should practice. English. Try to me. Try with me.
Nice.
Yeah.
Enough na.
Okay. Start. A. Okay.
No.
Oh.
No.
Oh. Have you afraid or have you? Do you have hesitation? No.
No.
Hesitation. I think that hesitation is a word which is harmful for speaking English. Hesitation is very harmful for speaking English.
What?
Try to speak with me. There is no problem. Try to speak. I request to speak.
Okay.
Try to speak. Okay?
If I'm your student, you will get angry to me.
Try to speak. Alphabet, A to Z alphabet. Try to speak. I request to. Tell me. Okay? Okay, try to speak. If you make fault, I will be correct. There is no problem. Try to speak. Try.
No.
Oh, I think that you don't have.
I said no.
Listen. I think that you don't have any confidence. You don't have any confidence, self-confidence. Actually, lack of so much self-confidence. Please increase your self-confidence. Increase with me. Increase with me. Self-confidence. There is no confusion. There is no confusion. There is no frustration. There is no hesitation. Please try to speak with me. Just A to Z alphabet.
I don't want to. No.
But why? May I know the reason behind it? But why?
I'm not your student.
Oh, shit.
I'm done.
Student is not factor. Student is not factor. It is simple matter. It is simple matter. For practice English, for practice alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F. F, not F. Try to speak. Try to speak. Student is not factor. It is simple matter. It is simple matter. To learn English, there is no age. To learn English something, not only English but also other subjects, it is not factor. At any ages, you can learn something. Really. Just I come here in this platform every single day to practice English, to learn English, to teach English. Every single day I come in this platform to practice English. It is the main aim. It is the main aim to come here. Because I am a private teacher. Just I have bought this globe. I have bought this globe for teaching my students. For teaching my students, I have bought this globe. Really. And I am very interested to practice English with you. Are you sure? Are you agree to practice English with me? Okay. Are you agree?